The Cause Foundation was founded in 1997. Mainly, I must admit, to satisfy two of my fondest ambitions, which is to be involved in musical productions and charitable causes.
We started off with Joseph and the Amazing Technicolor Dreamcoat, the first musical production by the Cause Foundation. And it was with a sense of trepidation that we started. But when we watched what happened and how it came out, it struck us immediately that we were onto a good thing.
Since our inception in 1997, we have put up a production almost every year, and they have been met enthusiastically by the people of Bangalore.
We've managed to put on classics like Fiddler on the Roof, Sound of Music, My Fair Lady, dream productions really for many of us who are interested in theatre, who've been quietly, to ourselves saying these lines over and over again. We got a chance to actually come onto stage, say these things in public, and do all these fantastic musicals.
We only spend money on production-related expenses which are absolutely necessary and which we cannot get in kind from other people. Over the years, people have asked me about my cast. They ask me, do they get paid? Are they professionals? My cast and crew are not paid. Despite this, they look forward to our productions every year. They actually come there expecting nothing. They come there because they love acting, they love being on stage, and they just love being together. Every show is one big family outing.
Being a member of the cast of the Cause Foundation Productions since 1997, I can positively say and talk about the magic that happens each time we all get together. In terms of these wonderful people who come together, I don't know where Laila really finds them, but wonderful talent, local, people working, students, older people, all of us get together, and under the tutelage and under the direction of Laila, a musical happens.
However, one aspect of the productions that is relatively unknown is that the Cause Foundation gives a lot of money each year to local charities.
Our profits are distributed in the following manner. 50% of it goes to human charities, but they have to be fledgling charities started by a single person.
The charities we support and have supported in the past are not those mega charities which you see all over the place, who are supported already by big organizations and corporates. But we try to reach out to those charities who really need a helping hand.
Morningstar is a special place for the children. They are special able children, They can't do anything much outside the world. Mainly the children, we pick them from the dustbin in the railway track, which society doesn't want them here, we find them. Really, if I got a lottery or somebody wants to give me a good amount of money, definitely it is a good blessings, because we need to very urgently put off a building for the children, for disabled, able children, special able children. We don't have a place for them.
This home started for those who have no homes, who are abandoned and homeless. And for the daily bread I had to beg. Even now I ask people to help me. Even I have no money enough to feed 100 boys is not so easy, and 15 girls. Money is a problem for me, so I ask friends to help me. Because when I got mass in the chapel on the Sundays, I just talk about this. I tell them, whatever you are able to give, help us. So these children need. We all have 3 meals, they don't have even 3 meals. Let us give them those 3 meals.
The 20% we give to an animal charity. This is something very close to my heart because I'm really very fond of animals.
CUPA is basically a hospital for stray animals, and we have a full-fledged hospital. We pick them up, bring them here, treat them, house them, feed them. CUPA is basically a private organization. There is absolutely no government funding as far as CUPA activities are concerned. Just remember, that all the animals that we have here need to be fed, medicated, treated. It takes a lot of effort, takes a lot of finance. So we rely heavily on the public to help us out in whatever way they can.
The 30% that we set aside for the Corpus Fund is used for very necessary expenses each year. That is to start the production. Unfortunately, the last couple of years we have not managed to get any sponsorship, any major sponsorship, which means our Corpus Fund is almost dry this year. It is unfortunate, but most people don't seem to realize how expensive it is to actually stage a musical production. Something that would run for over 4 days would cost us nothing less than 8 lakhs minimum to actually stage. We managed to get only about 2 to 3 lakhs, and not even every year, from sponsors.
If you've enjoyed watching our shows, for that matter, if you enjoy watching a musical, remember that that musical costs money to produce. And for that, the Cause Foundation depends on sponsorship. So all of you out there, if you know of anybody who's willing to sponsor a show like this, who's willing to set apart some money saying, this is a good thing, let's enjoy ourselves, let's provide clean, wholesome entertainment, and let's support a charity. If you know somebody who's willing to set apart some fund like that, then tell him about the Cause Foundation. Tell him or her that the Cause Foundation needs his or her support.